Have you ever walked into a really nice hotel and thought, damn, this is nice? Only to see one problem. The fact that you can't understand why it feels so captivating. Even as an architect with years of experience, I've encountered the same thing. It happened on a recent trip that my wife and I took to Singapore. As we entered our hotel room at the Como on Orchard Road, we were greeted by scents of lavender, sounds of waterfalls, and the view of a lush green forest. I couldn't help but think, damn, this is nice. And I moved on with my day. It wasn't until later, during a moment of reflection, I realized the true magic lay in the sum of the architectural parts. Combined, they enhanced the whole experience. If you want to know how to recreate this feeling in your own bathroom through architectural detailing, today we're about to unveil the hidden elements that turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary one. But wait, there is a small catch. Along the way, I uncovered some design flaws that we'll also explore together so that you do not make the same mistakes as they did. We'll dive deep into 11 stunning architectural details that will transform your bathroom into a hotel-like oasis. So let's begin with lighting. Have you ever marveled at how certain spaces, like those upscale hotels, exude a warm and welcoming glow without any visible light sources? It's an age-old secret recipe that I'm about to share with you. You see, Como did this with grace and mystery, greeting you not via traditional harsh overhead lights, but a gentle ambient glow that seemed to illuminate from nowhere, but everywhere at once. I may sound ridiculous right now, but this is exactly what happens without you even realizing. So let me break it down for you. Firstly, and most importantly, concealed lighting is about hiding light sources whilst allowing their radiance to shine through. It creates a soft, inviting ambience that embraces the overall aesthetics of the space. You see, the magic behind the concealed lighting lies in the strategic placement of the LED strips. Within architectural elements such as recessed niches, coves, or even behind mirrors. Concealed lighting is the go-to choice for achieving that luxurious and inviting atmosphere into your bathroom. It creates ambience. First and foremost, concealed lighting sets the perfect ambience. It bathes your bathroom in a soft, warm light that is ideal for relaxing and unwinding. It provides visual comfort by illuminating harsh shadows and reducing glare. And one of the biggest advantages is design flexibility. You can choose from a variety of light colors and styles to match your bathroom's aesthetics. If you're wondering how can you actually use it and incorporate it into your bathroom, well, the answer is relatively simple. So let's start with some examples. First of all, coved lighting is a must for consideration. Coved lighting used with LED strips are tucked into recesses or hidden behind moldings. They create a soft halo-like light along the ceiling or the baseboard. Further, if you wish to integrate it to your mirrors, integrating them creates a sleek and functional solution. They provide even illumination for grooming tasks while also adding a touch of elegance. If you have a floating vanity for a modern twist under cabinetry lighting, this not only looks stunning, but also creates a sense of space. Next, let's talk about a touch of luxury that you can enjoy every day, especially if you have kids. Have you ever wondered why hotel room doors close so effortlessly and quietly, making you feel like royalty as you walk in? Well, staying at Como Orchard in Singapore did exactly this. The doors closed behind me with an almost magical-like hush, which, to be fair, is normal for any hotel room, I'll give it that. But here's the thing. I didn't fully appreciate the genius behind it until I used the bathroom, concealed behind a giant, face-fixed sliding door. If you can even call it a door, it was actually the size of a full wall, and it's soft closed for separation, privacy, effortlessly. If we decode the magic of soft closing doors, you'll understand how you too can bring this everyday luxury into your own home. It's all about enhancing your spaces with both convenience and sophistication. Soft closing doors are doors that close smoothly and silently without slamming shut. If you want to use them, it's relatively simple. Behind the scenes, the hinges do all the work. The soft close doors are equipped with a specialized hinge that controls the door's movements. These hinges feature either a hydraulic dampener or springs that create resistance when you close the door. As you gently push the door, it gracefully glides to a close. The resistance from the hinges slows down the door's movement, preventing it from slamming shut. So why are they so important? Well, soft closed doors offer some practical benefits for your bathroom. Firstly, they reduce noise. No more door slamming, wake-up calls, or disruptions during the night. Soft closing doors maintain their tranquility of your space and they enhance the safety. If you have little ones or curious pets, soft closed doors add an extra layer of safety. They won't accidentally trap their fingers or their tails. Soft closed doors are gentle on your doors and the frames. They prevent wear and tear, extending the lifespan of your doors. And lastly, they contribute to the overall elegant feel of your space. It's a subtle touch that adds a sense of sophistication. If you've ever noticed how some hotel doors seamlessly blend with the wall, omitting the traditional door frame detail, well, this is what we're discussing in stage 3. The moment I entered my room, I appreciated the elegant door frames, or lack thereof. It was like stepping into my own personal oasis, where details are everything. Let me explain why it is essential, and without it, you've skipped the rare ingredients in the recipe that makes it so tasty. Concealing frames are all about integrating them into the doorway and into the overall design of your bathroom. The secret behind this design choice is the meticulous planning and craftsmanship. They create aesthetic continuity. Your bathroom's design flows seamlessly, offering a clean, unbroken look. And of course, they elevate the elegance. They add a touch of sophistication, making your bathroom feel like a high-end spa. Not to mention, the maintenance is a breeze. Let's move on. Have you ever wondered how some hotel showers transport you to a tropical rainforest, making you feel refreshed? Let's discover how to shower in luxury with a simple bathroom upgrade that will delight your senses. During our stay in Singapore, I found myself under the spell of a shower that transported me to a tropical rainforest. It wasn't just about getting clean, it was a sensory experience that everybody can replicate at home. To skip to the good bit, the rainhead shower was incredible, but what took it to the next level was the care and craftsmanship, which ensured it was seamlessly recessed into the ceiling. Chances are you already have a rainhead. They're quite common now, but we can make it so much better. A recessed rainhead shower is all about creating a shower experience that's both and versatile. It's like having your own rainforest retreat right at home. The key to this luxurious setup is the recessed shower head. It mimics the sensation of standing in a gentle rain shower, providing a soothing, immersive experience. And a recessed rainhead shower offers some practical benefits for your bathroom as well. It creates a luxurious rainfall experience, instantly relaxing your senses. The addition of the handheld shower allows you to easily switch between the rainhead and the targeted showering, making it extremely practical for everyday use. It also creates a sleek and minimalistic design. If I was asked to pause here and ask a stupid question, like, how would you like to have a toilet that looks like it's floating in midair? Sounds cool, right? Well, that's exactly what wall-hung toilets are. And these toilets are not only sleek and stylish, but they're also practical and space-saving. They're the ultimate bathroom upgrade that you need to know about. Of course, the Como had this, but I noticed something that bothered me. This toilet wasn't actually floating. It was just mounted on the wall. And for me, that means it's so much harder to clean and maintain than a true floating toilet. A cost-cutting exercise, sure, but one that they will regret in the near future. And if you're thinking, what's the difference between a wall-hung and a floating toilet? Well, a wall-hung toilet is a type of toilet that is attached to the wall, but it still has a visible base or pedestal. A floating toilet is a type of toilet that is completely recessed into the wall and also has no visible base or pedestal. And here's why you should opt for a floating toilet over a wall tub. Both types of toilets maximize space by eliminating the bulky tank and base, but a floating toilet does this even better. By recessing the toilet into the wall, you gain more floor space, which can make your bathroom look bigger and more spacious. Both types of toilet make it easy to clean by having no crevices or nooks, but a floating toilet does it even better. By having no visible base or pedestal, you can easily sweep or mop under the toilet, ensuring a hygienic and pristine bathroom at all times. Again, both toilets exude luxury by having that sleek and minimalistic design, but a floating toilet, you guessed it, does it even better. Now imagine having the ultimate tool to turn your bathroom into a hotel-like oasis. A tool that gives you access to all the secrets, tips and tricks of the trade. A tool that saves you time, money and hassle. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, guess what? It's not, it's real, and it's yours for free. For a limited time only, I'm giving away my entire filing system for architects, contractors and clients absolutely free. It's an all-in-one solution. Use what you want, discard what you don't. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Even if you don't need it now, you will later. This offer expires on November 1st, 2023. After that, it will cost you. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the video description below and get instant access to my complete filing system. And if you're watching this video after the 1st of November, don't worry. You can still get tons of value from my channel. Just smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the next exciting free offerings and valuable insights. In this next section, we're going to look at a design element that can make or break your bathroom's aesthetics. I'm talking about aligning your tiles. And when done right, they perfectly align with the features of your bathroom, such as the vanity, the shower, or the toilet. But before I tell you how to achieve this, let's look at a simple slip-up. A quick story about how I discovered the importance of aligned tiles, especially feature skirting tiles, and the challenges of design perfection. Well, I had everything, but what really caught my eye was the aligned contrast skirting tiles to the vanity. It was so sleek, so elegant, obviously considered. But then I noticed something that made me laugh. Something that showed me even in a world of precision design, imperfections can occasionally emerge. The skirting tile perfectly aligned with all of the bathroom's features, except one. The shower seat was just a tad too low in both terms of usability and design language, resulting in the skirting tile cutting the bench in half instead of perfectly aligning underneath. It's such a small detail, but it makes such a big difference. So what's the lesson here? Well, the aligned tiled skirtings are not just about aesthetics, they're also about functionality and precision. They're a design choice that requires meticulous planning and attention to detail. So let's continue our journey and explore a design element that goes beyond aesthetics, triggering memories and emotions. I'm talking about tile patterns with a personal connection. These are tile patterns that resonate with your past experiences, spaces, or moments. They infuse your bathroom with a sense of nostalgia and personal significance. But before I tell you how to achieve this look, let me explain the power of a tile pattern. There's a reason I keep coming back to the Como example. Their tile pattern, in this case, was nearly identical to the one at Como in Perth, where I recently got married. It was such a sweet surprise. It made me feel like I was reliving one of the happiest days of my life. So what's the lesson here? Well, it's that tile patterns with a personal connection are not just about aesthetics. They're a design choice that can make your bathroom more than just a functional space. They can make it a reflection of who you are and what matters to you. These patterns will always envelop you in nostalgia. They'll transport you to a cherished memory and a space from your past, making you feel happy and grateful. They create emotional resilience every time you step into your bathroom. You're greeted by memories and feelings that make the space uniquely yours. It's very simple to select a tile pattern that holds a personal significance. Start by reflecting on your own memories. Think about spaces or moments from your past that evoke positive emotions. It could be your childhood home, your favorite vacation spot, or your wedding venue. Explore these tile patterns that resemble or remind you of those memories. Moving on to stone selections with design continuity. Do you want to make your bathroom look like $1 million? Then you need to pay attention to this design element that can transform your space from ordinary to extraordinary. I'm of course talking about stone selections with design continuity. This is when you use the same stone for the vanity and other elements in your bathroom, creating a seamless and luxurious look. Every stone has its own character and charm. When you choose a stone that matches your bathroom's theme and your personal taste, you create a visual harmony that resonates throughout the entire space. Here's the beauty of it. By using the same stone for the vanity and extending it to other elements, you achieve a level of sophistication and elegance that is truly unmatched. Often people choose to mix and match stones throughout their house, but this can be really challenging to pull off without the help of a professional. Therefore, when you're matching your stones, you should aim to create cohesion. The consistent use of the stone creates a visual thread that ties every element seamlessly together. You can create luxurious ambience through the use of natural beauty and elegance of stone selections that elevate the overall aesthetics of your bathroom. When done right, you establish an elegant design language that continues to communicate sophistication. Make sure the stone selects to even the subtle details in your bathroom, like the toilet roll shelf. This continuity of stone demonstrates an unwavering commitment to design excellence. Now, if you want to make your bathroom look like a masterpiece of design, then pay attention. Threshold changes within a space can create functional and significant changes. These are the transitions from one area to another in your bathroom, such as from your main area to the shower. They can communicate the function of each space and add elegance and safety to your bathroom. Imagine you're walking through a museum, admiring different artworks. Each artwork has its own style, its own theme, and its own message. But how do you know where one art piece ends and another begins? Simple, by looking at the frames. The frames separate each artwork from the others, creating clear boundaries and transitions. Now think about your bathroom as a museum. Each area is its own artwork. How do you separate each area from the other? By creating clear boundaries and transitions? By using thresholds. These thresholds are like frames for your bathroom areas, creating clear boundaries, clear transitions. Let's move on. Do you want to make your bathroom look like a secret agent's lair? Well, we can, with these storage solutions that are hidden behind mirrors, within cabinets, or secret drawers. They all offer functionality and intrigue within your bathroom. Imagine you're on a mission to find a hidden treasure in an ancient temple. You enter a room that looks like any other. You discover hidden compartments, secret passages, and concealed clues. It's like a puzzle that reveals its secrets as you solve it. That's how I felt when I entered the Como bathroom. It felt like a normal bathroom until I explored, until I discovered the hidden storage behind the mirrors, within the cabinetry, and of course, within the secret drawers. It was like a treasure hunt that revealed its secrets as I used it. So why are creative and secret storage solutions so important? And how can you achieve them in your own bathroom? Well, creative and secret storage solutions are a design choice that not only adds value and visual interest, but also creates a sense of cohesion and luxury in your bathroom. These solutions are all about maximizing space whilst keeping clutter out of sight. They add an element of surprise to your bathroom where every cabinet or drawer conceals a hidden treasure. The beauty of it is by using creative and secret storage solutions, you achieve a level of sophistication and elegance that is truly unmatched, often for little more cost than regular storage. So concealing additional storage helps keep your bathroom organized and clutter-free. Lastly, we need to focus on the material palette. This is when you use high-quality materials and colors inspired by nature, creating a space that stands the test of time. Nature is our best source of inspiration. So you imagine you're walking through a forest, admiring the beauty of nature. You see the lights shining through the trees, the rich colors of the leaves, and the textures of the bark. You feel a sense of peace and harmony. So why is a material palette with timeless elegance so important? Well, it's an interesting question because it creates a sense of cohesion and luxury, once again, in your bathroom, which is the overarching moral of the story. Anyway, that's all from me, team. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing down below for new weekly content.